Hello guys, good afternoon. Sorry. Straight outside, turn right. 10 minutes before 5.
Yes, 10 minutes before 5.
Okay, can we request, is this the seat like front, close to the
Upper
food?
deck and outside.
Sorry?
Upper deck and outside seat. Around there.
Is there food served up there or only down
Yeah,
here?
we have 2 floors for the live buffet.
Ah, there's 2 floors, right?
Yes.
And we are in the front.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Can I have that?
Thank you.
Another one. Okay guys, ang init at ang dami-daming tao kaya hindi na muna tayo nag-share sa inyo kanina kung anong nangyari. Nag-claim lang ako ng ticket namin and then nag-ikot-ikot kami konti while waiting for the time. Pero ganito talaga ang itsura nito palagi guys. Kapag nag-avail ka nitong mga river cruise nila sa Thailand, marami talaga yung pumupunta. So you have to be patient, umulan or uminit man. But bring yourself umbrella at saka portable fan. Ngayon may dala kami pero ngayon hindi namin dinala, kaya ayan. Pero okay lang, Sahil is there as well. So papasok na tayo sa boat. We availed Chao Phraya River Cruise via Klook. And ang binayad namin nasa 1,500 pesos lang naman siya. Meron na siyang pagkain and you're going to cruise for 1 hour and a half. So tara, let's... Sunset is there! Look at the sun! Wow! The sunset is there! May picture na ka? Sunset? There, it's there. And it's orange today. Kamusta ang food, madam?
Sobrang sarap guys, grabe na po.
Saan nakita mo? Anong na-enjoy mo dyan?
Kaya na po kami umaga kain na guys.
Anong na-enjoy mo? Pakita mo yan.
Tingnan nyo guys, sobrang perfect. Tingnan nyo, wala siyang kinain. Diba?
Oo.
Supposed to be merong black
And then
dito.
yan, pakita mo yung sauce.
And ganito guys.
Sige. ASMR ulit.
Tara Mike.
Wala. Wow! Very yummy. Pinay ang singer. Dili, mostly. Di ba mapik ha? You see the cherry there? Look, the white. No, look, this one. The silver white one, yeah. Nice, right? How about this one? What's that?
The White House? Wait, it is a White House?
Looks like a white house. So nice. How do you dance a Chinese song? And you know, in the nighttime like this time, the temples are going to light up. Do you do this with your dad too? I think your dad works too much. Right? let's go this way, anak. Look here, anak.
Special song for a birthday celebration.
Uy. How do you dance that? Show me some Thai. Like, how does the Thai people dance? Go. It's a birthday. Oh, Hilda's not even a dance. Hey! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Anyone who has a birthday? It's Mommy's birthday, November.
Nobody knows whose birthday.
Remember?
Mommy's birthday is in November. I already made
tell me
your
your
present. I already made your present 1 month ago thinking that it was your birthday.
How can you forget Mommy's birthday? That is so sad.
November
That
21st.
is so sad.
November 21st. Am I correct? November 21st?
Ink.
22nd?
I'm going to cry. How can my eldest son forget my birthday?
But my birthday is easier to remember.
No, it's not. Don't make excuses. If your fault, you say sorry, Mom.
Sorry, Mom.
Okay, this is the last time you're going to forget it.
What is your birthday?
You guess, I'll give you 5 guesses. Go. And every time you don't, I'll
20.
tell you. Okay, that's 1. Birthday ko pala, oh. Go! Si Jinjin sa November ako siya. Day to you! Happy birthday! Day to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hey! Hey! Party! Party! To you! Party! Party! Thank you so much! Birthday to you, November. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
And once again, I'm Kat Manchman, our Champion Princess. Happy birthday to all the celebrants. A friend from Cambodia. And the wish of Larry Candles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Your friends there. Happy birthday to you. Kapon ka!
22nd. 20.
Madam, baba na! Sawadi hapon na.
Alam ka, upo tayo pero nakakapagod kasi nakaganyan yung tuhod dito sa mukha.
Napagod. Oh, let's go, let's go. So, time check namin, guys. Anong oras na ba? Alas 8. Sa wakas, nakauwi na kami sa hotel and parang kalahati namin today. Kalahati namin today ay new experience at new gala. Pero yung kalahati, nagbenta kami kaya goods. Ngayon, pagod na yung aming mga kaluluwa. Okay lang sana kung malamig yung kaluluwa natin tapos pagod pa. Punta lang tayo dito sa kanto guys, magpahilot lang tayo ng Thai massage. So hindi makukumpleto ang Thailand trip kapag walang Thai massage. Ayan si Madam Ten Gibbs. So dahil andito sa kanto merong nagmamasahe.
Food trip tayo.
Tsaka mag food trip daw kami, sabi ni Madam Ten Gibbs. So samahan nyo kami guys. Tingnan natin ano yung makakain natin sa food trip. Mag food trip kami yung mga dito lang sa may mga daan-daan lang, hindi mga sa restaurant. Sabi nga ni Madam Ten Gibbs, bakit parang di tayo pumasok ng restaurant sa 2 araw na nandito tayo? Sabi ko, ang sarap naman ang kinain natin kahit hindi naman restaurant, mura pa, di ba?
Correct.
O sabihin mong hindi ka na-satisfy sa lahat ng kinain mo.
Satisfying. Saan ba yung nabenta nun sis? I want to eat.
Tang alin?
Yung tortang itlog na may mga dahon.
Ay, wala ngayon yan. Bukas na lang. Niwang. Yan yung sila, guys. 4 sila ako andito.
Kasahig ka sis. Kasahig.
So, eto, nasa harapan lang talaga to ng aming tinutuluyan. 300 baht isang oras or nasa 500 pesos. Mahal na din siya, no? Kasi sa atin, sa Pinas, isang oras. Sa amin, sa Jensen, 300 pesos. Pero okay lang. Kasi yung 300 pesos, 300 baht, yan yung standard price nila actually. Mga lalaki pala yung naghihilot dito. Alright guys, alas G's na and nakikita ko yung mga pamilya ko. Ayan, nagpaubaya na sila sa mga manghihilot. Parang umalis na yung kanilang mga kalag. At ako na may patapos na din and then uuwi na siguro kami after this. Parang hindi na kami magpo-food trip guys kasi pagod na talaga. Guys, ito na yung food trip namin ni Madam Ten Gibbs, pero yung mata niya parang magsasara na. So may naabutan pa kaming gumagawa dito ng halal na noodles tsaka fried rice. Mainit pa, merong steamed na shrimp. Then ito yung binili ko, yung cheese mozzarella na corn dog. Buti nga may naabutan pa kami guys kasi gutom na talaga. At syempre, matutulog ang lahat ng may laman ng sikmura. So, pinainit ko lang yung corn dog kasi naghahanap si Kuya Kahin nito. And then, nagpadagdag na lang ako ng isa for myself. Parang hindi natutulog yung Bangkok guys. May mga bukas ng mga tindahan ngayon. Galit si Kuya. Let's go. Then after naming nag-cooking pagkagabi noon, we did our Chao Phraya River cruise. We chose the sunset. Kasi nagawa ko na yung dinner cruise before with Sheena and kasama ko nun si Mama and si Mayumi. Pero this time, I opted for sunset kasi maganda yung sunset sa river dito sa may Chao Phraya ng Bangkok. Other than that, maganda din tingnan yung mga city lights kapag nasa-start na sila kasi the sunset starts at 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock to 6:30. So 1 hour lang siya. Pero ang binayaran namin doon is around 1,500 pesos per person. Once again, sa Klook ko pa rin siya binook and it is Chao Phraya River Cruise. Hanapin nyo na lang siya guys. Maganda yung mga review niya. And ano pa ba? The food was amazing you guys. Nag-enjoy talaga kami sa kain namin. Unlimited talaga siya. Ang sasarap. Masarap yung mga Thai sauce. Masarap. It's an international buffet. At yun yung nakalimutan kong i-share sa inyo. Hindi ko man lang nakunan ng videos yung mga pagkain. Pero guys, I really enjoyed it. I ate a lot of fish cake. Yung Thai fish cake. Paborito ko yun. At paborito din yun ni Kuya Kahil. I ate a lot of shrimp. Kasi masarap yung green na Thai spicy sauce. Then, nasarapan din ako dun sa kanilang somtam or yung papaya salad. Nasarapan din ako sa yam wonsen or yung noodle salad. Masarap din yung kanilang sauteed shrimp with vegetables. Lahat guys actually masarap. Hindi ko nga natikman yung iba kasi inuna ko lang talaga yung mga namiss kong pagkain sa Thailand. Other than that, the view was amazing. We really had a very beautiful sunset. The time was perfect. Umulan ng konti when we started the cruise. Pero the sky cleared up in the middle and nag-enjoy kami sa sunset. It was an amazing journey. Malinis yung boat, organized. And ano pa ba? Yung mamimiss mo lang doon is yung talagang city lights. Kasi pinapaandar pa lang nila yung ilaw ng syudad at ng city at ng mga temple around 6:45 to 7, ganun. Pero when we got down at around 6 o'clock or 6:30, konti pa lang yung lights na nakita namin. But we were able to enjoy the view of the temple. So if you prefer to see the city lights and the temple lights, opt for the dinner time. Yung around 7 o'clock, I believe, to 8:30 or 9 p.m. But if you like to see the sunset here in Bangkok, hanapin nyo na lang yung kanilang sunset na cruise. After that, we enjoyed the singing, the dancing. They were very sweet kasi they gave me a cake for my birthday. And I saw Kahil getting bored a little bit kasi yung mga bata these days guys, madali silang naboboard. Pero it's up pa rin sa atin mga parents to open up opportunity for them to be creative. I do understand na it's not a responsibility to entertain them all the time. They have to be creative at kailangan nilang mag-think outside of the box to find a way to entertain themselves. Pero I really wanted to sorry. I really wanted to spend time with Kahil, so I really made sure na hindi ako busy sa phone ko. Sometimes I do edit, sometimes I do respond sa mga queries sa tindahan. Pero when Kahil is there, I always try to put my phone down and have conversation with him. And my most favorite thing pagkasama ko si Kahil is yung merong physical, I love holding my children's hands. I love hugging them. I love them hugging me. Dapat lagi akong connected sa mga anak ko. Kaya isang way ko talaga pagkasabayan ko sila sa sasakyan. Kahit kay Kahil before when he was still with me, I always hold hands with him. At kahit pag natutulog guys, hawak kamay talaga kami ni Kuya Kahil until now. Ganon din ako kay Kulot tsaka kay Chico. Pero ngayon, since ang dami-dami ko nang ginagawa and I am thinking more things para makover ko yung responsibility ko as nanay ng mga anak ko, I rarely spend time with them na. Pero when I have the chance, ganun ako palahawak ako ng kamay, palahawak ako ng likod, lalong-lalo na sa mga anak ko. Ayun, that's how I connect with them with the short time na magkasama kami. Ano pa ba? We totally enjoyed it. Nag-enjoy. And then, yung aming pier for the cruise is at Asiatic Bangkok at maraming stalls doon, maraming tindahan. So nag-enjoy din kami ni Madam Tengive sa kakaikot, nag-enjoy din yung mga anak namin. And of course, we ended up buying some things as well kasi may mga sale. If tatanungin nyo ako if I do recommend, yes, I do the sunset cruise dito sa Chao Phraya River. Hanapin nyo na lang din sa Klook. If you will ask me kung tama ba yung binayad namin, worth it ba siya, I would say yes, worth it. If you would ask me kung gagawin ko pa ba siya ulit, maybe I'll try something else. Or maybe I would do it again if I will spend time with other people or with special people. Pero kapag hindi naman siya yung talagang gagawin ko ulit again and again, no. Kasi maybe I would enjoy doing it on a quieter mode. Like just sitting somewhere quiet and eating. Kasi magiging maingay siya. Kasi nga puno yung cruise on the first floor and the second floor. Ayun. Overall, we really had fun. It was an amazing day. We did not regret booking these things that we did today. And sana nagustuhan nyo din. Let me know what you think. Do you have any plans to travel in Thailand? And are my videos helping you guys? Let me know. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. I-PM nyo na lang or i-comment nyo na lang down below as well. Kung meron kayong any request na gagawin natin bago namin iwan yung bansang Thailand, please let me know too para magawan ko ng content bago kami umalis. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat once again sa pagmamahal ninyo sa akin at sa mga anak ko, sa mga pamilya ko at sa mga staff ko. I really, really appreciate that at sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Much love from me, from Kuya Kahil, and from the rest of the family. Of course, galing sa mga anak ko guys. Maraming salamat. We love you and we'll see you on the next episode. Much love from the Yigas. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala mag-comment guys about dun sa massage. Sa massage naman dito sa Thailand, okay na okay. I highly recommend Thai massage. Magaling sila kasi sa Thai massage, they do use their elbows. I really love that. They use also their traditional massage accessories. Kanina gumamit kami nung parang mainit siya na bola. Hindi naman siya bola, pero fabric cloth na merong mga beans sa loob, and they put it in a pot para mainit siya. Then yun yung gagamitin nila na panghilot. So I love that one as well. The price, I would say makakahanap pa kayo na mas mura. Pero since nasa Bangkok tayo, magsisimula talaga siya ng 300 baht per hour or approximately 600 pesos. Kayo na lang mag-check kung gusto nyo ng exact amount. Pero it was an amazing experience as well. Maganda dahil dito lang siya sa labas ng aming hotel, and also 300 baht is not bad. Magaling din sila talaga magmasahe. So we are all satisfied. Lahat naman sila ay nagustuhan yung kanilang pagmamassage ng 1 oras at na-feel nila na na-relax talaga sila after a very, very long day. If you would ask me if I will recommend, yes, I do recommend. Find a place na comfortable kayo. I do recommend doing the oil body massage. Gawin niyo yan guys, maganda yan siya. I would really recommend that. If gusto nyo dun sa medyo may privacy kayo or gusto nyo medyo masosyal, pwede kayong maghanap. Madami namang options. Massage place here in Thailand is almost everywhere. Wala pa sigurong 3 metro, meron na kayong makikita. They are everywhere. Nasa daan, nasa mall, nasa kanto, nasa building. Kahit saan kayo pumunta, meron yung Thai massage guys. So, feel free to walk in and magtanong or check nyo yung mga prices nila. It's a must do when you visit Thailand. Don't miss this one as well. Thai massage, authentic massage. Nothing can beat an authentic Thai massage. Once again. Kasi nagpapa-Thai massage naman ako eh. Merong Thai massage sa amin sa Jensan. Pero I wouldn't say na it's Thai massage feel. Kasi iba talaga magmasahe yung mga Thai style. Gamit talaga nila yung kanilang elbow, yung kanilang siko. Sometimes they even use their legs and their feet. It's an amazing experience. So once again, thumbs up for that and highly recommended. Ayun. So yun lang guys. Siningit ko lang yun kasi nakalimutan ko. Once again, maraming salamat and good night.